In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of participating in the Opendashboard Workflow Challenge. To participate, you must be part of the Opendashboard community. You can join the community by following the link in the description. Build something that solves a real problem in any industry and publish it as a template. You can build a CRM, a project management system as an HR, or even a workflow that automates a business process. Create a short video that shows what your workflow does, the problem it solves, a quick demo of the workflow in action, how people can install and use your template from the Opendashboard platform, and upload the video to your YouTube Instagram page. Once your video is uploaded, submit your entry, then share your video and template link, using the hashtag WorkflowWarsOD and tag at Opendashboard. Get your audience to install your template and engage with your video by liking, commenting, and sharing. The more installs and engagement you get, the higher your chances of winning. Visit opendashboard.app/challenge to get started. To kick things off, here's our entry video.